Well, hello everyone. I am heading downtown to see the Blue Jays game, guys, and we're on the train. So it's gonna be a little bit of ride to get on a train. I hope I'm not boring you guys. But I just want you to take a look at the scenery. It is March. Actually, it's not March. It is April 1st. And as you can see outside, guys, it is still cold. Look at the place, just looks so boring. And I don't know when we're gonna have some warm temperature, guys. We have last week, we have some warm temperature, and it's warm up, and the following day it gets so cold again. So today we're heading downtown to see the Blue Jays game. I may make this video in two because I am not sure if I am going to be able to get any more videos to be putting on this one. So as you can see, guys, it's dead. The trees, like nothing look like sign of life. But we have life, guys. As you can see, some green grass right there, and that's the only thing I can see green right now. But I have some excited news, guys. I'm gonna be showing you. Actually, I think I'm gonna be passing by the Ripley Center because I'm gonna pass by the CN Tower, the Ripley Center. I'm going to just pass by, guys, because I'm going to the game, and apparently we are late. We're late to go see this train, to get this train, because we have to be parking so far, and because of that we spend so much time just looking for parking upstairs, guys. We went all the way up to the 6th floor to get a parking up there, and everywhere is full. And then we realize, okay, today's a work day and it's also Blue Jays Day, and a lot of people take their kids to see the Blue Jays game today, because they have the Blue Jays, they have a special event down there for the kids today. It's school day at the Rogers Center today. So that's what we realized, and then I said, oh my gosh. So we have to get back down from the 6th floor all the way back, and then we have to get outside, and there's another parking way under, guys. We have to walk, and by the time I got on that train, I was tired. And then not only that, again, when we reached to Union Station, it was like another thing again, all this walking again, guys. I was like breathing so hard. But when I get home, guess how many steps I got in? 16,000 steps. So now you believe me how many walking we did today? Yep, I checked my watch and it was 16,000 steps, and my legs are so tired. So I'm gonna be showing you this video, and you guys just watch some of what I have to show you guys, and stay tuned. Thank you. Guys, we at Rogers Centre. I'm heading to watch the Blue Jays game.
Around the other side.
Pardon?
Our gate's around the other side, I think.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is the Ripley Centre, guys. And we are around. This is the Rogers Centre. Just beautiful, guys. Ripley Centre.
Save the ticket, sign into the bar. Bring your ticket, save it to your phone. We have the person here. They said the seat and everything. The ticket, I want to open to have the barcode.
This is where all the activity taking place, guys. So you have the Ripley Centre, and down the bottom is where the Scotiabank Arena is.
Oh, when we're going to something there.
And then you have the Rogers Centre on the other side.
Yeah, the tickets are there, but it not show the barcode.
So this is where all the activities are, guys.
Okay. Just show it, even though it don't have the barcode. No matter.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
The game is start. The game is start, guys, and we're not inside yet.
It's a section vehicle. Okay. Alright, later.
You can see the police block that area off down there.
Baseball tickets. Tickets, guys.
This guy's selling baseball tickets.
So the two ticket there, but it's just that to sit. The ticket that to sit.
Never download? Never download?
Yeah, the seat down there.